She's alright. She's
行动计划将有12艘船只通过该走廊，包括12艘从乌克兰出发的船只和4艘前往乌克兰的船。
啊！
Ôi, đừng kìa, đừng kìa.
Ai vô cái thuyền. À! À, đi bộ kiến khờ rồi này.
Ồ, cái này cũng kiến khờ.
Ai, này nó恐怖啦！你行較頭前，徛較頭前去哦。
哦呀呀呀呀！
Oh, shoot!
Speaking of.
He was nice to the Lord.
Oh my god!
Glad you moved.
Yep, that's why I moved.
Oh boy.
Really admire Nolan. I'm happy he's getting something, but Nolan's a very meticulous filmmaker, right?
Oh!
Toby man. Channel if you.
Oh, beauty.
What the?
Full Show Podcast and all the other podcasts up to date. We will see you tomorrow.
ooh.
Toby man.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Mercy me. Toby man.
The last thing you want is to be held liable for somebody else's stupid mistake. Get yourself a cheap and easy to set up dashcam from the link below and start driving with peace of mind.
Who's at fault here?
You alright?
What the?
Oh my god, are you serious?
It's 2025 and it's finally time to stop putting off getting that dash cam. If you're like me and you're looking for one that's cheap and isn't a pain in the ass to set up, I've linked my personal favorite option down below.
This is crazy. This is crazy. What the?
In neck, yeah. Yeah. I mean, when you watch him on film, you're like, oh, okay. Yeah.
Bully.